Good morning, students. Today I am going to take a new chapter, three-dimensional geometry. Right, 3D geometry. You have studied the basic concepts of 3D geometry in class 11, isn't it? Let us recall the important facts learned there. All of you look at the board. O is the center and this is the x-axis, and the next one is the y-axis, and the third one is the z-axis. X, y, z are the three mutually perpendicular axes. Then we know that along this OX axis or on this XY plane, y equal to 0. XY plane, Z equal to 0. XY plane, Z equal to 0. And the equation of YZ plane, this YZ plane, X equal to 0. And that of the ZX plane, Y equal to 0. Therefore, the coordinate of any point on, write the first one, the coordinate of any point on XY plane is XY plane is XY0. And the second one is YZ plane is 0YZ. And that of the ZX plane is, which one is 0? Yes, X0Z. These are the points. The next one is equation of planes parallel to the coordinate planes. Equation of planes parallel to the coordinate planes. Write the notes. The equation of a plane parallel to XY plane is Z equal to C. And the second one, equation of a plane parallel to YZ plane is here X equal to A. And the last one, equation of the plane parallel to ZX plane is Y equal to B. If 3 points are there, can you say the distance formula? Suppose x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 are the points. Then can you find what is the distance between these 2 points? PQ is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square plus Z2 minus Z1 the whole square. Z2 minus Z1 the whole square. Okay. Then the next one is, right, the next one is direction cosines. You already studied these things in plus 1. Direction cosine, DZ. Direction cosine means, listen. We know that X, Y and Z, isn't it? X axis, Y and Z. They are three mutually perpendicular axes. If you draw OP and take a line parallel to this AB, AB is a line parallel to OP. Then this OP makes, right, alpha, beta, gamma. This OP makes alpha, beta, gamma in anti-clockwise direction. In anti-clockwise direction with positive directions of OX, OY and OZ respectively. OX, OY, OZ axis respectively. Then right, cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are known as the direction cosine of OP, known as the direction cosine of OP, and are generally denoted by the letters small l, m, n, denoted by L, M, N, that is L equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta and N is equal to cos gamma. N is equal to cos gamma. Okay. The next one is, we know that LMN are the direction cosines and we apply this one. L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1 always. L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. That is, the sum of the squares of the direction cosines of a line is 1. The sum of the squares of the direction cosines of a line is 1. These are about direction cosine. Direction cosine means that is the angle, cos of the angle. Okay. Then write the next heading, direction ratios. Direction ratios or DR. Direction ratios. Right. If ABC be three numbers proportional to the actual direction cosines element. ABC are three numbers, these are only merely numbers, which is proportional to the actual direction cosines L, M, N of a line. Then these ABC are known as direction ratios. That is, L by A is equal to M by B is equal to N by C. Understand? Again we know that L square plus M square plus N square by root of A square plus B square plus C square. These are equal to root of L square plus M square plus N square by root of A square plus B square plus C square. From that, L by A is equal to plus or minus. Can you say what is root of L square plus M square plus N square? Yes, that is equal to 1. Root 1 is 1 by root of A square plus B square plus C square. Or L is equal to plus or minus A by root of a square plus b square plus c square. L means the direction cosine. A means direction ratio. Therefore, very important note, if the direction ratios are given, you can find L, M, N. If you take this M by B equal to the last one, you will get M is equal to plus or minus B by root of A square plus B square plus C square, right? Then the last one, N is equal to plus or minus C by root of A square plus B square plus C square. If the direction ratios are given, then you can find the direction cosine from this formula, where the sign should be taken all positive or all negative. Understand? Then next one. Write one question. The direction ratios of a line are 3, 4, 12. The direction ratios of a line are 3, 4, 12. That means ABC given. What are the direction cosines? L is equal to plus or minus A by root of A square plus B square plus C square. Therefore, in all the cases we need root of A square plus B square plus C square. Therefore, first you have to find that. What is A square plus B square plus C square? Root of 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square. What is the answer? Root of 9 plus 16 plus 144. Is it 13? Root 169 means 13. Therefore, you can write L is equal to plus or minus A. A means 3 by 13. And M is equal to, look at the board. M is equal to 4 by 13. Plus or minus 4 by 13. And N is equal to plus or minus 12 by 13. 12 by 13. Okay. Next one, find the direction cosines of the line. Find the direction cosines of the line that makes equal angles with the axis. That makes equal angles with the axis. Right. Find the direction cosines of the line that makes equal angles with the axis. Here, right, L equal to M equal to N, isn't it? That means cos alpha is equal to cos beta is equal to cos gamma. Or you can say that alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. That means we know that L square plus M square plus N square is always 1. Isn't it? If you put M equal to L and N equal to L, you will get L square plus L square plus L square equal to 1. 3L square equal to 1 means L square equal to 1 by 3 or L is equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore, what's the answer? 1 by root 3. L equal to M equal to N. Therefore, the direction cosine 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Isn't it? Okay. Then write the next question. If a line makes angles of 45 degree and 60 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree with the positive axis of x and y respectively. 45 degree and 60 degree with the positive axis of x and y respectively. What angle does it make What angle does it make with the positive axis of Z? Positive axis of Z. This is x-axis and y-axis respectively. Then what angle does it make with the positive axis of Z? You know that? Cos 45, cos 60 and cos gamma are the direction cosines. What is cos 45? Can you say what is cos 45? 1 by root 2 cos 60, 1 by 2 and cos gamma. That is not given. Cos gamma. But we know that this is L, M and N. That is, we apply the condition L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. 1 by root 2 the whole square plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus cos square alpha equal to 1. Then 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. Do by yourself. Cos square alpha is equal to 1 by 4. From that, cos alpha is equal to 1 by 2. That is plus or minus. Therefore, if cos alpha equal to 1 by 2 means, which angle of cos is 1 by 2? Yes, 60. If you take minus 1 by 2, we can write 120. Therefore, the chances for alpha are 60 or 120. 60 or gamma, not write alpha. Gamma, always put gamma. 60 or 120. 60 or 120. Then the next point, direction ratios of, right, very important, direction ratios of a line joining 2 points. Direction ratios of a line joining 2 points. Right, let A x1 y1 z1 and B x2 y2 z2 be 2 points. Then the direction ratios are, direction ratios are x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1 comma z2 minus z1. If 2 points given, we can find the direction ratios. What's the direction ratio answer? x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. Okay. Write the question. Find the direction ratio of a line that passes through the points A 6 minus 7 minus 1 and B 2 minus 3 1. A 6 minus 7 minus 1 and B 2 minus 3 1. Also find the direction cosine. Here first we can find what is direction ratio. You can mark the first point A as x1 y1 z1 and B as x2 y2 z2. x2 minus x1, 2 minus 6 comma minus 3 minus minus 7 comma 1 minus minus 1. Okay, what's the formula? x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1 comma z2 minus z1. Say the answer. Minus 4, 4 and 2. Minus 4, 4 and 2. We can simplify it as minus 2, 2, 1. Isn't it? Here this is only a number. Therefore we can cancel that 2. Then if the direction ratios given, how can you find the direction cosine? Say the step. Direction cosine is plus or minus a by root of a square plus b square plus c square comma b by root of a square plus b square plus c square comma c by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Always put plus or minus. That means minus 2 by root of minus 2 the whole square plus 2 square plus 1 square. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 1 9. The final answer minus 2 by 3. What about the second case? This is same as 2 by the same and 1 by the same. Therefore 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Isn't it? And okay. Next write down. Angle between two lines. Next point. Angle between two lines. Right. Let L1, M1, N1, L1, M1, N1 and L2, M2, N2. Let L1, M1, N1 and L2, M2, N2 be the direction cosines of two given lines. Be the direction cosines of two given lines. Then angle between these two lines, if the direction cosines given, then the angle between these two lines cos theta is equal to, very simple, L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2. If the direction cosines given, suppose the direction ratios, what are the direction ratios? You can put 1 and 2. If A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2 are the direction ratios, then cos theta is equal to plus or minus A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. If the direction cosines given, L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2. Understand? But if the direction ratios given, this is the formula. Plus or minus A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2. Then next one, conditions of perpendicularity and parallelism. Conditions of perpendicularity and parallelism. Right. If two lines are perpendicular to each other, then we know that cos theta is equal to 0, isn't it? Cos theta is equal to, no angle there. No, sorry, angle is 90 degree. Perpendicular, 90 degree. That means cos 90. That is equal to 0. Therefore, condition is L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2 is equal to 0. If two lines are perpendicular, then the condition is L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2 equal to 0. Then the second one, if the lines are parallel, L1 by L2 is equal to M1 by M2 is equal to N1 by N2. L1 by L2 equal to M1 by M2 equal to N1 by N2. Then if the direction ratios given perpendicular means A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. And parallel, if the direction ratio is given, parallel means A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. C1 by C2. Okay, then write. Find the angle between the lines. Find the angle between the lines. If the direction cosines are root 3 by 4, comma, 1 by 4, comma, root 3 by 2, and root 3 by 4, 1 by 4, minus root 3 by 2. Can you say what is the formula? Cos theta if the direction cosines given? You can mark the first one as L1, L2, L1, L2, L3. Isn't it? L1, M1, N1, not L1, L2. L1, M1, N1, right? First one L1, M1, N1, and the second one is L2, M2, N2. Therefore, root 3 by 4 into root 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 into minus root 3 by 2. That is 3 by 16 plus 1 by 16 minus 3 by 4, isn't it? You will get minus 1 by 2. Final answer, minus 1 by 2. 3 by 16 plus 1 by 16 minus 3 by 4 is minus 1 by 2. Therefore, minus 1 by 2 means cos which angle is minus 1 by 2? Cos 120. Therefore, theta is equal to 120 degree. Right? Theta is equal to 120 degree. The next type question is show that the lines are parallel, and the third one is show that the lines are perpendicular. Okay, study up to this. Then we will continue the same topic in the next class. Okay, God bless you. Study well.